Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video I traveled to Bali, Indonesia. When I arrived at the airport, I used the ride-sharing app Grab, and it was $15 and took me right to the hotel. Gojek is the other ride-sharing app they use on the island. What is up, everyone? And I am in Bali, Indonesia. This is my 62nd country I have visited. I flew in here yesterday from Singapore, and I am in the small beach town of Seminyak. I think I'm saying that correctly. So I'm going to check out the town a little bit, go to the beach, maybe do some tours. Let's check it out and see what it's all about. I'm taking a little walk on the busy streets of Seminyak on the island of Bali, and I'm looking for an ATM machine and something to eat. I'm also looking for some tours. I'm on the island really for as long as I want. I don't have a flight out. I don't think I'm going to stay crazy long, but I was looking at doing some kind of group tour, or maybe getting a driver for a day. I was thinking of renting like a scooter or moped or something like that, but I heard that the cops pull over foreigners a little more often than I would like, so I might skip that here. Walking around for the last 15 or 20 minutes, you really get bombarded with the motor taxi guys, the ones on the bikes. They're all flagging you down. Some kind of temple, looks like some kind of ceremony or event going on. They have the road blocked off partially. Everybody's dressed in white. So this road, which if you just keep going down, will take you all the way down to the beach. It's about a 15-minute walk, maybe 20 minutes. It's very standard for a touristy beach town. You got your t-shirt shops with hats and sunglasses. You have massage parlors and a lot of bars and pubs. This could be really anywhere in the world because they're all the same, these types of towns. So overall, I felt that Bali was really affordable, but you could spend as much or as little as you want. There were reasonably priced hotels. The hotel I was in was nice for $30 a night, and you could get hostels and things like that even cheaper, or really fancy hotels. And the same with food. Food was very affordable. I've seen a couple of signs for laundry. The laundry is $25,000 for 1 kilo. That's under $1 a pound. I'm definitely going to get that done later today or tomorrow. There's a couple of nicer resorts over here, Marriott. It's about 2 in the afternoon. I've already went and had lunch. Went to an ATM machine and talked to some people about some tours. I'm going to go back to my room now. I'm going to drop off my camera and then come down to the beach and have a swim. This is the alley to my hotel. The beach is right there, and then my hotel is like a 2-minute, 3-minute walk in this direction. Nice and close. And it's probably more like a 10 to 15-minute walk to the shops and the restaurants. So a little bit more convenient for the beach than the other things in town. Some horse riding on the beach. A lot of people in the water over here. Dead spiky blowfish sitting here on the beach. I've never seen one of these on a beach before. It was really windy right now and it was messing up the audio, so I had to mute the audio in this section. The water is really warm and very clear. The sand's a little bit dark, so it makes the water look a little bit darker. This is a great beach to spend the day at. And this is my hotel room. I booked it when I arrived on the island. It has a pool, a refrigerator, an air conditioner, a big bed. It cost me $31 a night. It's about a 5-minute walk to the beach and maybe a 10 to 15-minute walk to the restaurants and the shops up the road. I went to the room, dropped off the camera, dropped off some other things, came back down to the beach and had a swim. I just went back and retrieved the camera. It's going to be sunset in a little while, so I figured I'd go get the camera and get some video of it and show the scene down here for sunset. So the first thing I noticed is there's some tables set up and people selling coconuts and drinks. I don't know if this was here before. It might have been, I might have just missed it. But I've noticed it just now. It's because people were being served a coconut as I walked by. But it probably was here earlier. The temperature is really nice. It's about 80 degrees. It's not too hot. The water temperature is nice. It's warm. There is a light breeze coming in right now. And more coconuts being served. There's a lot of places to rent beach chairs. A lot of dogs on the beach too. A lot of beanbag chairs and people sitting here enjoying a drink, waiting for the sunset. A lot of little beach bars over here. A lot of people out there taking pictures of the sunset. Some nice little restaurants to get some food with the sea view. It was a really great sunset. I spent 4 days on this beach in the hotel that I just showed. I tried to add one more night and they were completely sold out, so I had to decide if I wanted to stay in this area or move to a different town. What is up, everybody? And today I had to move hotels. Last night I tried to add on another night at the hotel I was staying at and found out that they were completely booked, so I had to move. So I was deciding if I stay in the same town or if I switch towns. I decided finally to switch towns this morning and come to a town called Nusa Dua. It was 500,000 local currency. It's got this big pool. And this is my room. Big bed. A couple bottles of water. A bathroom. It came with breakfast and they showed me a menu when I was checking in and asked me to order and what time I wanted it ready. So I'll have breakfast for myself at 9 a.m. tomorrow, and yeah. All right, not bad for $5. Right on the beach. It's a really quiet, low-key beach. Nobody really selling anything on the beach. Nothing like that. I've been here a couple hours, went for a swim. All right, looks like it's starting to become low tide, or it is low tide now. The water is clear and it's warm, and the sand is definitely a brighter color than on the other side where it's dark and black. There's no waves. It's very still. Good place to swim here.
So I didn't have any real plans, but the next day I end up leaving Bali. But this isn't my last video from Bali because I have another video coming from a couple days earlier when I did a tour. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.